Good morning friends, I am Surya Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Garden is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you the best potting mix directly from the nursery of this Adenium, and this is the pot. This plant should be 1 inch less diameter than the plant, and the diameter of the pot should not be much bigger than the plant's diameter. So this is the 1 inch less is the best, and these are all the pots are cleaning here, and the cleanliness is the very best essential needs for growing the Adenium, and they are all cleaning the pots, all the earthen pots. And now I am giving you all the details how the potting mix should be ideal potting mix. These are small pots, they are for the seedlings pottings, and just keep on watching. I am giving you all the details of potting mix. Soil mixture, I'll tell you the soil mixture. Cocopeat 75% you use the Cocopeat, and 5% thermocol ball. These are the all thermocol ball. You can use it. These are thermocol ball 5% and 75% of the Cocopeat, and 5% thermocol ball, and add here single super phosphate 5%, single super phosphate 5% of single super phosphate, and then add 5% of the bone meal 5%, and then horn meal 5%, and you will be adding 5% of this Neem Cake. Neem Cake is very essential because they prevent all the fungal disease, all the insect problem. They will prevent all this Neem Cake. This is the best mix for, this is the expert of Sanjay Kumar Mondol. He is the expert. He is telling me all these are combinations of this. This is best for Adenium growing, and if you mixture here, this is the best for all your growing media for Adenium, and you will get the best result. So friends, after making all the mixtures of all these 6 items, you just water it, small amount of water, moist it, and keep it covered for 1 month. After 1 month, you will be using as a soil mix here. This is all, and this is the best soil mix according to Sanjay Kumar Mondol. He is the expert in Adenium growing. This is the best recipe for growing the Adenium plants. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you lots about the Adenium growing and caring and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.